Hey everyone, it's Bob from Bob Talks Tech. Today I wanted to show you a quick little video on the system that we built with our X99 board from AliExpress. The one thing that was not on this board that we could have used before was Wi-Fi, so I did the right thing and went over to the Amazon and ordered the cheapest Wi-Fi PCIe 1 Express card that I could get. It's very simple TP-Link, very popular. And I just want to encourage you, if you have a system you need Wi-Fi and you have an available PCI slot, it's super easy. Let's throw this in here real quick and show you how easy it is. So then we just need to take our cover off. And even with the limitations on this board, there's still a PCI slot here below. Hopefully you can see that. On this particular model we have a little cover plate. That comes off. Our kit includes 2 antennae. We'll put those on last. It also comes with a very small little adapter board. And you've got it clean right there. Not a bad little unit. It's not super fast. It's not the best. We're just going to slide that right in there. And on this one I have to remove one more slot to make room for that adapter. Let's punch that out. Okay, don't need that anymore. Sure I don't miss here. Alright, once I'm in the slot, you just kind of press it until it goes flush. Slot screw that'll hold it into place and just in there, and it should be flush right there. You'll see that it's going to be quite a good fit. Go ahead and put this plate back on. Okay, make sure the tongue and the groove go back in. A little hold down plate goes right back in. Side, and then that's already installed. The last part is you just add the antennas to the back, and they simply screw in. Alright, and then I'll give you take a look at that right here. Here's the 2 antennas. They've just screwed into the slot. Make sure you consider where your display is going to be coming out of. There's the HDMI right there. That can sit just to the side of it, shouldn't interfere at all. And then guys, once you power this up, it should be ready to go. Windows should automatically see it, and then you can adjust your Wi-Fi settings with your password on your local internet, and you shouldn't have any trouble at all having Wi-Fi set up on this board. It's super simple. Check it out. This particular unit was just the cheapest one on Amazon. That's that for this one right now. This was the last step I needed to do to get this one online on the Wi-Fi instead of having to drag a cable over to it. The only thing left on this one to be completely done is some updates and some drivers and whatnot. Perhaps I can go to the TP-Link website on this one and update those drivers if I need it. I'm sure it's easier to do that on live than it would be here. Other than that, that was the last step to this, so I'm going to call this a complete build. And so, thanks for checking it out. I have more videos to come. I had to get this out of the way because I wanted to get this finished up. And there's super new things coming soon, or maybe even live later today. Thanks so much for watching. Please join and subscribe. Hit me up with any comments, and I'll see you next time.